Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Let's move on to two more important examples. Number one, simplify this expression. Cosine of 4x plus tangent x times sine 4x. Always remember, if tangent or cotangent appear together with sine or cosine, expand the tangent or cotangent and write them as, for example, tangent theta is equal sine of theta divided by cosine of theta, or cotangent of theta is equal cosine of theta divided by sine of theta. Look at this expression. Cosine of 4x plus tangent x times sine 4x. We expand the tangent x and write tangent x as sine x divided by cosine x times sine 4x, or cosine 4x plus cosine x sine x times sine 4x. And if we take a common denominator, we have cosine x, and the numerator is cosine 4x times cosine x plus sine x times sine 4x. So do you remember this formula? Cosine of alpha minus beta is equal cosine of alpha times cosine of beta plus sine of alpha times sine beta. Okay, so look at this expression. So alpha is 4x and beta is x. So cosine 4x times cosine x plus sine x times sine 4x is equal cosine 3x. Okay, divided by cosine x. So we can simplify this fraction. We know that cosine 3x is equal 4 cosine cubed x minus 3 cosine x. 4 cosine cubed x minus 3 cosine x divided by cosine x. And if we factor out in the numerator by cosine x, we have 4 cosine squared x minus 3 divided by cosine x. Cosine x and cosine x, they cancel out, and we have 4 cosine squared x minus 3. Number 2, what is the value of 3 times cotangent of 75 degrees divided by 1 minus cotangent squared 75 degrees? Okay, always remember, if alpha plus beta is equal pi over 2 or 90 degrees, so sine of alpha is equal cosine of beta, or cosine of alpha is equal sine of beta, and tangent of alpha is equal cotangent of beta, and finally cotangent of alpha is equal tangent of beta. So we know that 75 degrees plus 15 degrees is equal 90 degrees. Okay, so cotangent of 3 times cotangent of 75 degrees is equal tangent of 15 degrees divided by 1 minus tangent squared 15 degrees. Okay? So do you remember this formula? Tangent to alpha is equal to tangent of alpha divided by 1 minus tangent squared alpha. Okay? So if alpha is equal 15 degrees and we have 3 times, if we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2, we have 1 over 2 times 2 tangent 15 degrees divided by 1 minus tangent squared 15. So 2 tangent of alpha divided by 1 minus tangent squared alpha is equal tangent to alpha. So this fraction is equal 3 over 2 times tangent 2 times 15 degrees is equal 30 degrees. Okay? So this fraction is equal to 3 over 2 times tangent of 30 degrees is equal the square root of 3 over 3. So finally this fraction is equal 3 times the square root of 3 over 6, or the square root of 3 over 2. Okay? This is a good question.